Carbonara, one of the most beloved pasta dishes and the most recognizable staple of Roman cuisine, is perhaps the best comfort food one can make inside of 15 minutes. For me, it's a warm hug that satisfies and relaxes the soul, warding off the midweek woes of anxiety and stress. Now, far be it from me to dare to improve on such a classic, but with a little technique and some unexpected flavors, I believe we can make it even better. To begin, we are going to render 3 ounces of guanciale or pancetta over medium heat. For the sauce, over a double boiler, add 1 egg and 2 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of white miso, 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and begin whisking over a low simmer. This Sabayon method of carbonara was introduced to me by pasta wizard and renowned chef Danilo Cortellini. It offers a foolproof method of tempering your egg yolks while whisking adds volume to the sauce with additional body and silky smoothness from the egg white. Once your sauce becomes pale and starts to thicken, remove it from the heat. Then we're going to add in 3 ounces of grated parmigiana reggiano and whisk until it's melted. Here I am using fresh egg and semolina fettuccine, but you can always use dried and extruded pastas like rigatoni, which work very well with carbonara. Cook your pasta in salted water and reserve a good cup to half a cup of pasta water before draining. Add a good splash of pasta water into your sauce mixture and whisk until emulsified. Then add your pasta and fold it in. You may need to add a splash more pasta water just to get the texture that you like. Make sure to be gentle and take your time with this process, as we want to keep the noodles intact while making sure that they're fully coated in our lovely sauce. At the very end, we're going to add in our crispy guanciale or pancetta along with the lovely pork fat. To finish things off, I'm going to add a healthy dose of homemade chili oil for some mild spice, along with the aromatic notes of garlic and shallots and the warm spices of Sichuan peppercorn, black cardamom, cinnamon, and aniseed. At first, Asian and Italian cuisine may seem like strange bedfellows, but they're really a match made in culinary heaven. Combining Italian sources of umami like a well-aged Parmigiano Reggiano, some well-aged balsamic vinegar, or some anchovies, along with Asian sources of umami like miso, oyster sauce, or fish sauce, really doubles the complexity and depth of flavor without clashing. Give it a try for yourself and let me know what you think. Just remember, when it comes to your food, there are no rules. That being said, I must caution anyone of the generational curse that will certainly be cast upon you if you dare to put cream in your carbonara. May the nonas of the days of yore haunt your dreams ad infinitum. And if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and a follow.